Struggling to make money as a content creator? You're not alone. Many creators find themselves stuck in a rut. But guess what? Today, we're diving into the top ways to make serious money as a content creator. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these strategies will help you maximize your income and build a sustainable business. From affiliate marketing to selling your own products, we're covering it all. Let's jump right in and start making some money. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to make money as a content creator. Promote products that align with your niche and earn a commission for every sale. No inventory or customer service needed. Create engaging content and watch the commissions roll in. Integrate links into your blog, videos, social media, and emails. Be authentic and recommend products you believe in. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction make it easy. Creating and selling online courses is another fantastic way to monetize your expertise. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to reach a global audience and generate passive income. The beauty of online courses is that you create them once, and they can sell over and over again. Market your course on your social media channels and website to attract students. Not only do online courses provide a steady income stream, but they also position you as an authority in your niche. YouTube and TikTok are two of the most popular platforms for content creators, and they offer incredible opportunities for monetization. On YouTube, you can earn ad revenue through the YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. Sponsored content is a lucrative way to make money on both YouTube and TikTok. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products, and they're willing to pay well for it. TikTok's Creator Fund is another way to earn money. Don't forget to leverage features like Super Chat on YouTube and live gifting on TikTok for additional income. Offering consulting services is a great way to monetize your expertise and help others achieve their goals. Whether you're a marketing guru, a fitness expert, or a business strategist, there are people who need your guidance. Offer one-on-one consultations, group coaching, or corporate training sessions. Promote your services on your website, social media, and through word of mouth. Charge what you're worth and offer different packages. Provide exceptional value and build strong client relationships. Platforms like Patreon and OnlyFans have revolutionized the way content creators can earn money through memberships and subscriptions. By offering exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, and special perks to your most loyal fans, you can create a steady stream of income. To succeed with memberships and subscriptions, it's important to offer valuable and unique content that your audience can't get anywhere else. Promote your membership options on your social media channels, website, and within your content. Encourage your fans to join by highlighting the benefits and showing appreciation for their support. Building a strong community of dedicated fans will not only provide financial stability, but also foster a deeper connection with your audience. Sponsorships are a powerful way to monetize your content and build relationships with brands. Create sponsored content that resonates with your audience while earning a significant income. Build a strong personal brand and grow your audience. Create a media kit showcasing your audience demographics and engagement rates. Ensure sponsored content aligns with your brand and adds value to your audience. Disclose sponsorships transparently to maintain trust. Deliver high-quality content to build long-term relationships. Creating and selling your own branded merchandise is a great way to monetize your content and build a loyal fan base. Whether it's t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases, branded merchandise allows your fans to show their support and feel connected to your brand. To get started with merchandising, design a range of products that reflect your brand and appeal to your audience. You can use platforms like Teespring, Merch by Amazon, or Printful to create and sell your merchandise without worrying about inventory or shipping. Promote your merchandise on your social media channels, website, and within your content. By offering high-quality and stylish merchandise, you can build a strong brand and generate a steady stream of income. Collaborating with other brands can be a mutually beneficial way to grow your audience and increase your income. By partnering with brands that align with your niche, you can create unique and engaging content that introduces both audiences to new products and services. Brand collaborations can take many forms, from co-branded products to joint marketing campaigns and sponsored events. To find potential brand collaborators, research companies that share your target audience and values. Reach out to them with a well-crafted pitch that highlights the benefits of working together. Successful collaborations not only boost your income but also enhance your credibility and reach. By delivering high-quality and engaging collaborative content, you can build lasting relationships with brands and open the door to future opportunities. Long-term brand partnerships secure steady income and build strong relationships. Unlike one-off sponsorships, they involve ongoing collaboration. Partnering long-term enhances credibility and income. Focus on building a strong personal brand and audience. Create a media kit showcasing your demographics and engagement. Outline clear expectations and deliverables. Deliver high-quality, authentic content to build trust. Long-term partnerships provide financial stability and future opportunities. Offering exclusive content to paying subscribers is a great way to monetize your content and build a loyal fan base. Platforms like Patreon, OnlyFans, and YouTube memberships allow you to offer special perks and behind-the-scenes access to your most dedicated fans. To succeed with exclusive content, it's important to offer valuable and unique experiences that your audience can't get anywhere else. Promote your exclusive content options on your social media channels, website, and within your content. Encourage your fans to join by highlighting the benefits and showing appreciation for their support. Building a strong community of dedicated fans will not only provide financial stability, but also foster a deeper connection with your audience. Becoming a brand ambassador is a great way to represent a brand you believe in while earning income and enjoying perks. Promote the brand's products through your content and social media channels. Identify brands that align with your values and audience. Reach out with a well-crafted pitch. Showcase your audience demographics and engagement rates. Maintain authenticity and transparency. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. Deliver high-quality and engaging content. Creating and selling your own physical or digital products is a fantastic way to monetize your content. Whether it's books, clothing, or online courses, there are endless possibilities. Offer products that align with your brand to build a loyal customer base. Use platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Gumroad to sell your products. Promote your products on social media and your website. Encourage fans to share their purchases and feedback. Offer high-quality products to enhance your brand's reputation. Starting your own online store is a great way to monetize your content and offer a wide range of products to your audience. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or a combination of both, having your own e-commerce site gives you full control over your brand and sales. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it easy to set up and manage your online store. Choose a niche or product category that aligns with your brand and audience. Promote your online store on your social media channels, website, and within your content. By offering high-quality products and exceptional customer service, you can build a loyal customer base and create a sustainable source of income. Selling your photos on stock photography websites is a great way to monetize your photography skills and reach a global audience. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow you to upload and sell your photos to individuals and businesses looking for high-quality images. To get started, create a portfolio of your best work and upload it to multiple stock photography websites. Make sure to include relevant keywords and descriptions to help your photos get discovered. Promote your stock photos on your social media channels, website, and within your content. Selling stock photos is a great way to turn your passion for photography into a profitable venture. Donations are a simple yet effective way for your fans to support you financially. Platforms like Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee, and PayPal make it easy for your audience to contribute to your work and show their appreciation. To encourage donations, be transparent about how the funds will be used, show appreciation for their support by acknowledging donations publicly and offering special perks or shoutouts. Promote your donation options on your social media channels, website, and within your content. By building a supportive and engaged community, you can create a sustainable source of income and strengthen your connection with your audience. Thank you for being willing to listen. We've covered a lot of ground today, from affiliate marketing to donations, and I hope you found these strategies helpful and inspiring. Remember, there are countless ways to monetize your content and turn your passion into a profitable career. The key is to stay authentic, provide value to your audience, and never stop exploring new opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your fellow content creators. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on making money as a content creator. Also follow me at leroyabrown.k. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.